actually that bad. Got a nice penetration in there. That's not bad. I've cut it that low so that I can actually see where it is, and I'll put a nice little brush sealer over it. At least I can get some paint on it. I was thinking if I did it a bit further up, if I did it up here, I wouldn't have been able to see that to get you know, some paint on it. So that's the reason why I've cut it there and not up here. I wouldn't have been able to see it in the back of there. So I finally welded the quarter panels, the back panel. Those clamps are on there because I've not done the balance. What I think I'm going to do, I have to turn the car over and do it, because I've got to get some clamps to clamp onto that, and they're at work, and then I'll weld the underneath of there. Just needs a little tap there. But I've got some good penetration in there. That isn't as good, is it? But I can always, I've got a little bit. I can always weld from this side anyway. I don't think I'm supposed to do that, but it doesn't look like it's got it right there. It looks quite nice-ish.